In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning photo shuffle effect using Canva. This is a great way to add flair and movement to your photo projects, making them more engaging and visually appealing. Let's get started with this creative tutorial. First things first, head over to Canva. If you haven't already logged in, make sure to click on the Log In button, which you'll find prominently displayed at the top corner of the homepage. Once you've clicked that, a screen will prompt you to continue. Simply click on Continue, and you're on your way to accessing your Canva projects. If you usually sign in using your Google account, select your Google account from the options provided and again, click on Continue. You'll now be directed to your Canva homepage where all your projects are stored. With your dashboard in view, click on Home to ensure you're at the starting point. Next, open the project that contains the images you want to shuffle. If you're following along for practice, feel free to use any random photos you have at hand. Once your project is open, click on the first image to get started. Over to the left-hand side, you'll notice the Animate option. Click on Animate, which will offer various animation styles. We're specifically interested in creating a dynamic effect, so choose Photo Zoom from the list of animation options. This adds a zoom effect to the images, highlighting them with a subtle, dynamic movement. Next, you'll want to set the scale for this effect. To achieve the perfect photo shuffle, ramp this up to the maximum. Don't worry if this sounds daunting, it's very simple and straightforward. Now to ensure consistency across your slideshow or presentation, click on Apply to All Pages. This will apply the photo zoom effect seamlessly to every image in your project. To make the transitions even smoother and more cohesive, we need to add a transition effect. Click on Add Transition, and from the selection, opt for Dissolve. This subtle transition aids in blending one image to the next, making for a smooth visual shuffle. Hit Apply Between All Pages to ensure every transition flows using the Dissolve effect. Timing is key when you're creating a photo shuffle. Click on Change Duration to adjust how long each image is displayed before transitioning to the next. For a snappy shuffle effect, I recommend setting the duration to either 0.3 or 0.2 seconds. This quick changeover between images creates a lively and engaging movement. Finally, before you finish, click on Zero Ez to confirm the setting. With everything set in place, it's time to see your work in action. Go ahead and click on Play to preview your photo shuffle effect and admire the smooth flow of your images coming to life. And there you have it. You've successfully created a captivating photo shuffle effect in Canva. With this effect, your presentations, slideshows, or digital albums will certainly stand out. Enjoy experimenting with your new animation skills, and remember to keep exploring the creative possibilities in Canva.